All right, hi guys, I'm Ken Blumberg with Making Probate Easy. So in this video, we're going to take a look back at the numbers that mattered in November as we're moving into December and into the new year. As we know, it's very important to know what the market is currently doing so we can make the proper predictions of what's going to come in the coming months and new year. So without further ado, let's jump into the numbers from November 2024. All right, guys, so this first set of numbers we're going to look at is the number of closings in November, which was 1,647 homes that closed. That's down 14.1% from the month prior, and that's not that unusual as we're going into the holidays and the end of the year. That number is still up 14.8% from the prior year, which is good because we definitely don't want the market to come to a screeching halt. That shows us there is still a steady supply of people who want to be homeowners here in the Las Vegas market, even though we did see that big slowdown at the end of 2022 when interest rates spiked from historic lows to near their current levels. Next, we can see the median close price is $480,000, meaning that half of the homes in the Las Vegas Valley sold for more than that and half sold below that. That number is up 0.9% from the month prior and 6.7% from the prior year. And again, if we look back to 2020, that is where we saw the high water mark for median home price. And then as those interest rates skyrocketed, home buying demand slowed just a little bit. And that's when the median price came down. But now over the past 2 years, it is almost identical to where it was at the end of 2022. All right, next, the number of new listings is 2,138 in November. That is down 25.4% from the prior month. But again, it's still up, showing that sellers are also getting a little bit more comfortable with the interest rates as they're coming back into the market. So that number is up 8.6% from the prior year. Next, we have availability excluding offers, where we have 5,570 homes on the market last month with no offers. That's down 3.7% from the prior month and up 28% versus the prior year, which would be concerning if that was the only number we were looking at. But as we know, we have strong demand, and the Federal Reserve is monitoring all real estate markets very carefully and is ready to drop interest rates if inventory starts to spike too quickly or if prices start to fall too rapidly. So I'm not all that concerned about that number when we take in other factors into consideration. The next statistic we're going to look at is effective months of availability, where we're sitting at 3.4 months of available homes on the market, meaning if there's no new inventory, it would take 3.4 months for every home on the MLS to be sold. Now that's up 12.1% from the previous month and up 11.5% from the prior year. But in my opinion, that's a healthy statistic, bringing buyers and sellers together on a more equal footing. Because if you look back to the end of 2022, where inventory spiked to almost 5.5 months of inventory, and if it had gone any higher, that would have definitely tipped the scales from a seller's market to a buyer's market. So we don't want to see a rapid shift like that. If the market is going to shift, we would be much more inclined to prefer a more stable and a slower and a more stable shift in the market. And the last statistic we're going to look at is time on market 30 days or less, where last month we sat with 57.9% of the closings that were on the market for less than 30 days. So it's really incredible. If you want to sell your home, generally, if you price it right, you're going to have it sold in less than 30 days. Now that number is down slightly from the prior month, where we had 58.9% of the homes that were selling in less than 30 days. And it is also down from the year prior, where we had 65.5% of the homes going into contract and being sold in less than 30 days. So the market is slowing down, but again, we're just bringing a little bit more equilibrium into the market where buyers are going to have more choice and sellers are going to probably have to wait a little bit longer and be a little bit more cautious when thinking about testing the market at a higher price than the comparable sales will support. But all that being said, I do think as we move into the new year, as the new president takes control of the government, opens up energy production, and potentially calls for lower interest rates, I do anticipate the likely probability is that buyers are going to start coming back into the market at a quicker rate, and home price appreciation will start to accelerate, although at a much more tempered pace than we saw in 2020, 2021, and 2022. So guys, that's it for this episode. Just a quick video of what happened in November in the housing market, what you can expect in December and moving into the new year. I hope you like that. Give me a like on this video. If you have any questions about pricing your home, feel free to reach out to me. If you're selling a probate home, I can help you get the home cleaned out. We have great estate planning people. I can help you move trash out of the home or help you get things donated. We can change locks. We can put cameras in at your property. We can get you connected with the right contractors to do any kind of repairs, from paint, carpet, roofing, plumbing, landscaping, electrical, anything you need, we have it. Just let me know how I can help you. And if you're looking for a cash offer on your property because you're looking to sell it quickly, I can help you with that. I am a cash buyer myself, and I also have over 200 investors that I work with to get you a fantastic price on your home. Again, that's typically for somebody that has a home that's in distress, that needs a lot of work. But other than that, if you're just looking to get your home sold for a great price and you want to take all the hassle out of it, again, reach out to me. Give me a call, 702-809-5734, or reach out to me by email, and I'll get back to you immediately, and we can talk about a strategy to getting you the best price on your home. And I can also give you a net sheet letting you know exactly how much you're going to put in your pocket at the end of the sale. All right, guys, thanks again. I'll look forward to talking to you, or I'll see you on the next video.